Hey, this is Mrs. Ziegler, and I'm going to go over how you're going to complete your self-grading gas laws Google Sheets. So when you click on the link, it'll bring you to this screen where you will make a copy of the Google self-grading sheets. So when you look here on the bottom, you'll see here that you have Boyles. When you click on it, here's Charles. Here's Gay-Lussac. So for each of the um, sheets, the first problem is already done for you so that you can see. So to go back, so I'm going to go ahead and clear them so you kind of see how we get there. Okay, so first thing that you are going to do is you are going to read the problem. So we know that this is Boyle's law, so therefore it is pressure times volume is equal to pressure times volume. So reading the problem, I have here, you're again identifying what you've been given, you're going to plug it in. So I have 500 milliliters. So here, you don't even have to choose. You are going to go ahead and put in your 500 milliliters. Okay, so here I know that I've got torr, which is my pressure. So here I'm going to find torr. And then as I read on, we're trying to find volume. And so we have pressure that increases to 795 torr. So this is going to be my pressure. And then you are going to solve for your answer. So again, to do the math, numbers that are next to each other, you're going to multiply this, then divide by whatever is by the variable. So put the answer in, you find the proper units. So again, whatever units are duplicated, that's the unit that'll cancel. So milliliters is what our answer is. And whoops, I put in the wrong answer, which this is supposed to be 450. So that is how you complete your self-grading sheet. So you have 11 problems. So you're actually doing 10 for each sheet. Again, this one. So we have Charles. So you do volume divided by temperature. Gay-Lussac will be pressure divided by temperature. Again, you're literally given the different variables. You have to just choose where everything goes. So for example, for this one, when you're mathematically doing these, it's the numbers that are across from each other, multiply them, divide by whatever is across from what you're solving for. That is how you get your numerical answer. Okay. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out. Now, when you're sharing or when you're finished, again, before you submit it, click on here, change this so this is your name. If you do not change it, I will take points off because that's you not following directions. You click share and then you change this to anyone with the link. You copy this link and then you go to Schoology, and when you go to submit, you click submit. You click create and then you paste the link in there in order to share and submit the completed assignment. Again, do not forget that it is 3 different grading sheets, but each sheet is specific to that law. The day of your quiz will be 3 different problems, one of each type, where you have to figure out which law you will be solving for. Okay, if you have any questions, reach out.